Hello guys, in the last video I have shown you how to install the OS binaries into the existing Weblogic middleware home. In this video we reach to step number 6. We will create the required database schema objects, or called RCU, repository creation utility. Let me go to my VM. Okay, in order to run the RCU you can either go from here, go to Oracle Home, middleware, Oracle Home, Oracle Common, bin, rcu.bat. We will run this command as a command line. I will share with you all the required command line in the shared folder. You can now press here CMD, click here, press CMD. Okay, we will go directly to this path, or you can copy this path, because we open command line through administrator, and go here, cd, enter dir directory. Now we'll write rcu.bat, enter. cd bin rcu.bat. Wait for some time. You can check the log file in this path. Now this is the first window, or the first screen is welcome screen. Press next. Now we will choose the default one, system load and product load, under create repository. Now it will ask you for different database configuration. You have to remember or to know this configuration. Maybe you need to contact your DBA for this information. The host name for my database is 192.168.135.129. The port is default 1521. My service name is ORCL. My username is capital SIS. The password is default one. You can choose either connection parameters or connection string. Now, if I want to press next, if the configuration, the entered information is correct, it will give you this window, repository creation utility, checking prerequisites. All the prerequisites are success. Press OK. Okay, now it will ask you, what do you want the prefix be? Create a new prefix. It will be div. All these schema, it will be div, stb, div ops, div vms, like this. Okay, we'll choose all of these schema. Okay, this is optional user messaging services. You can either check or uncheck. Now press next. Okay, this is checking component prerequisites. Press OK. Now it will ask you, what's your schema password? You need to repeat the password. Okay, you need to remember this password because you may use it in the future. Next. As I mentioned before, the prefix will be before each the schema name, div underscore stb, div underscore opss, and this the default table space. This is the temp table space. Next. Any tables that don't already exist in the selected schema will be created. Okay. Now press OK. Okay. Now it will create this schema. Press create. You can save this response file. Create. Now it start to create the required schema. It will take some time. You can increase the video speed or the playback rate in the left side corner. Almost finished. Only 2 steps are remaining. Last step. Okay, great. Now all schemas have been created successfully. As you can see, check here the status, success. Now close. In this video, I have shown you how to create the required repository, the required schemas to be used in the Weblogic. In the next video, I will let you see how to create how to configure the OS. Thank you and see you in the next video.